Hindi lang siya ganun basta-basta. And of course, how do you start? You have to fund your funds, which is, first off, since we are in this for the long term, we should have something for emergency needs. And I call it emergency fund, which is equal to 3 to 6. So just in case na ayaw mo na yung job mo, burnout ka na, and then you have to leave, at least may nakalaan. So you don't withdraw your funds in the stock market. Kasi baka that moment, bumaba yung market price. So maluluwi ka, diba? You should, before you invest, you have to save for your emergency. And then, that's the suggested one. Please try to have 20% of your income for your investment. Suggested percentage. Para naman, yung iba naman, masyadong invest, hindi na nag-enjoy sa kita nila. Yung iba naman, enjoy sa kita, wala naman invest. Okay? So just a suggested percentage. And of course, there are other funds na pwede mo. And just keep on learning. Increase your financial IQ. Kasi minsan, accountants are good in managing the businesses of other people, but they forget, we sometimes forget managing our own business. Diba? Stay hungry from steak jobs. Stay tuned. That's my personal website. Minsan, I blog. I talk about, if you want to learn more, I talk about the SAM, my blog, the investment, the EIP. Gusto nyo pang makita or matutunan. I post some articles there once in a while. Of course, that's for free. It's in the internet. Alright. So those for you who are ready, you take the plunge, take the stockbroker, of course, you need, and then start. Start small, and then do for the long term. So I know some of you may not be ready right now, maybe in 3-6 months, maybe. Pag meron lang sahod. So I hope this is a blueprint that you can see in the future. Because as they say that successful people usually look in the long term. So, pag mas malayo yung tinitingnan mo sa future mo, the more na your chance to succeed is higher. Alright? Alright? 2 questions. May tanong kayo? Since I think we will not be having any more a question and answer mamaya, diretso na siya. May tanong ba kayo? I have other things that I plan to present, but then maybe we can just do it some other time. Alright? Para hindi overload. Okay? So keep on learning. That's what we are. I'll take your silence as a good point. Thank you very much. And I pull on. Shall I pull on or may I pull on? Emma?
Thank you, sir, for that very, very knowledgeable pampayaman.